right now. In a few minutes, toward Elm Creek at 522 and cross lanes in Canal Valley at 523. The storm that's moving through Wayne right now, moving its way off to the north and to the east, will be into Lincoln County here in the next half hour. Now, there is a blind spot down through eastern Kentucky. Our viewers in the southeast Kentucky area. This area, the radar out of Jackson is out. So we have to get creative and use our X-Vision, which is a way of splitting storms to tell where the severe activity is right now. This is actually a computer logarithm, if you will, or an algorithm that enables us to split storms without the radar is out. And we can see the tall, I call it 10-gallon hat of the sun, which Painesville right now. And that tall cloud.
Are you through now?
Oh,
there it comes again. You're going to make yourself go. Look at you. Oh, goodness gracious. Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you all right? Well, now you're gagging yourself.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Oh, boy, that's a tough one. And there's a little burp to go with it. You're going to gag.
Yeah.
Ooh. You okay? And a yawn and a burp and a... Oh, my.